Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. And today's video is going to be very exciting because we are going to talk about fake stick-on nails. Who doesn't like beautiful, freshly manicured nails? I like them too, but what I don't like is the time it takes to get them done at the salon, and then you have to visit the salon again to get them removed or changed or refilled. And for this reason, many people go for fake press-on nails that you can easily do at your home. But then again, the quality has to be really good, or else they can easily break or can even come off in the middle of a party, who knows? And that can be pretty embarrassing, right? Now, if you've been following me on social media, you must have noticed that I'm not really big on doing my nails. I always like to keep them fresh and natural. But recently I came across this brand JOFAY Fashion that is quite popular on Amazon for their quality press-on nails, and I really wanted to give it a try. So I collaborated with them and they sent me some of their nails to try. But please know that even if any of my videos is sponsored by a brand or is in collaboration with the brand, all the reviews and opinions are 100% my own. So today I'm going to be reviewing some press-on nails from JOFAY Fashion, and let's see how it goes. I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button, you know the drill. And yeah, let's get started. Now, JOFAY Fashion is a brand that focuses on cruelty-free and vegan press-on nails, and that's honestly the first thing that I loved about them. You can check out their products on Amazon. They have a huge collection, a huge variety of fake nails to choose from, and they are super affordable. Most of them are in the range of $6 to $7 for a box. So I ordered 5 boxes from them, and the first ones that I want to show you are these nails that I'm wearing today. These are very pretty gel nails in white and purple, and I love these little stones on some of them. So this is how the box looked before I opened it. It comes with 24 nails in different sizes, so you can easily find your perfect fit. Then there are these adhesive tabs, some alcohol pads to clean the nails, a mini glue bottle, a nail filer, and this wood cuticle stick. It also comes with this little card that has all the instructions on how to use them and also how to take them off. Now, these press-on nails are pretty easy to apply it on your own, and I'm going to show you how it took me just about 10 minutes to do it. First of all, wash your hands and push back cuticles with the wood cuticle stick. Now, slightly buff and shape your nails with the nail file. Take an alcohol pad and clean the nails. Now, choose the adhesive tab that fits your nail size and stick it on your nail bed. Select the nail that best fits your size, adhere it from bed to tip, and press it on your nail bed for about 20 seconds. Repeat the process for all your nails and you're done. I think I have small nail beds, so some of the adhesive tabs are really long on my nails. If that's the case, you can take a pair of scissors and just cut them off like this to suit your nail size. And look how cute they are looking. I did my nails yesterday evening around 5 p.m, cooked dinner, took shower today morning, worked on my laptop too, and it's 4 p.m. right now, so it's been almost 24 hours and I have absolutely no complaints. They feel strong, sturdy, and so pretty. Plus, they are super quick to apply and I can take them off on my own whenever I want to. Just soak the nails in warm soapy water for about 15 to 20 minutes and they start to loosen, and then you can carefully remove them using a cuticle pusher. Just avoid pulling off the nails directly, as that can cause damage to your natural nails. Let me quickly show you the other 4 boxes that I got, and I'm very excited to try them too, since I don't really go for very long nails. The ones that I've ordered are medium sized, although they have some stunning designs and patterns in long almond shaped nails in case you're interested. It's just that I find it quite difficult to manage them. So the first one that we have, let's start with this one. These are very cute peach nails. I love how subtle and pretty this color is, and the quality of these nails look amazing. These are short nails with squarish shape, just like the ones that I'm wearing. The next box has similar nails in a different color. These are coffee brown nails and would look so stunning when I put them on. And by the way, I got so obsessed with the size and shape of these nails that I got another box in this elegant white color, because although there are so many prints and patterns available, I like to go very simple and muted when it comes to my nails. But you guys feel free to experiment and share with me all your nail looks. I would love to see them. And the last one that I absolutely loved are these ones. They have a very subtle neutral color with just a thin golden line and a rhinestone. And they have a different shape than the rest of them. They would look so pretty in parties and would go with almost all my outfits. So this was my press-on nails collection from JOFAY Fashion. I'm honestly loving this brand so far because the nails are really good quality and you can easily apply or remove them on your own whenever you want to without the hassle of going to a salon. And they are super affordable, so you can order plenty of them in different colors, prints and patterns. There are literally so many options to choose from. So guys, that was all for today. I'll make sure to link their Amazon shop and all the nails that I ordered in the description box of this video. I think you should definitely give it a try. And if you try any of these press-on nails or any fake nails in general, feel free to tag me on Instagram and I would love to reshare your pictures on my Insta stories. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.